A lot of people have been asking me how to taxidermy a bird. So today I'm going to show you how to clean the wing by disconnecting the secondary feathers from the bone. You'll need your bird, you'll need some latex gloves, surgical blades, and your scalpel. The latex gloves can be purchased at any supermarket or general store. You can get your surgical blades online, and some craft stores also stock the surgical blades, and also with the handles. You can get these at most craft stores as well. So once you've got everything ready, you're ready to go. So once you've scun your specimen and you're left with just the wings, you need to clean the wing bones. And how you do that is by inverting the skin and popping the secondary flight feathers, so that gives you access to this piece of bone here, which has a lot of muscle attached to it. So what you do is you hold the bone like this, and if you just push gently, well actually quite firmly, secondary flight feathers, you can hear and feel a little tiny pop. It's kind of like popping bubble wrap. Well, slightly. And you just keep doing that all the way down the bone until this piece of flesh is exposed, so then you can clean it. If you don't get to this piece of flesh, after a while your finished bird will start to smell quite rotten, and it won't be much good. So if you just keep doing that, it's nearly done. Shouldn't take long. It's quite an easy task to do. And just go all the way down until you can feel the end of the bone. And now all this is exposed, and you can now clean it with your scalpel. Once you've dislodged all your secondary flight feathers, you can see them just here. You can then go ahead and remove all the flesh from the bones, and then your wings are done. You can go ahead and finish the rest of your bird.